Did you know that while eggs are nutritious and beneficial for health, improper handling and storage can pose health risks, especially for seniors? Eggs can be harmful if we're unaware of common dietary mistakes. Have you ever wondered why eating eggs might leave you feeling bloated, fatigued, or even increase your cholesterol? This might not be due to the eggs themselves, but rather to habits surrounding their preparation and consumption. Let's explore common mistakes many people make and discover simple ways to enjoy eggs more healthily. 1. Cooking eggs in oil may contribute to inflammation. Why is omega-6 to omega-3 balance crucial? Omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids are both essential for human health, but an imbalance can significantly impact well-being. Omega-6 fatty acids can stimulate the production of pro-inflammatory compounds within the body, while omega-3s possess anti-inflammatory properties. Consuming excessive omega-6s without sufficient omega-3s leads to heightened inflammation, contributing to various health problems. Chronic inflammation, a natural response to injury or infection, becomes detrimental when prolonged. This chronic inflammation, fueled by an omega-6, omega-3 imbalance, can contribute to serious conditions such as cardiovascular disease, arthritis, and diabetes. The inflammatory process damages blood vessels, potentially leading to atherosclerosis, hypertension, and ultimately cardiovascular complications. Furthermore, an excess of omega-6s can elevate levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, increasing the risk of heart-related issues. To mitigate the negative effects of high omega-6 intake, particularly in cooking, healthier alternatives are recommended. Extra virgin olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats, offers anti-inflammatory benefits and is packed with antioxidants, protecting cells and reducing cardiovascular risk. Ghee, clarified butter, retains many of butter's beneficial nutrients, including vitamins and healthy fatty acids, while also possessing antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Boiling or steaming eggs eliminates the need for oil altogether, preserving the nutritional value without contributing to inflammation. Switching from inflammatory oils to healthier options like olive oil or ghee offers several advantages. Reduced inflammation can alleviate joint pain and stiffness associated with arthritis, particularly in older adults. Improved cardiovascular health is achieved through decreased inflammation, lowering the risk of atherosclerosis and hypertension. Moreover, olive oil and ghee aid digestion and gut health, enhancing nutrient absorption. By consciously choosing healthier cooking methods and oils, individuals can actively contribute to their overall well-being and reduce the risk of inflammation-related diseases. 2. Combining eggs with pre-cooked meats. Why is processed meat harmful? Processed meats often contain components detrimental to health, including high sodium content. Processed meats are typically high in sodium, salt, a major contributor to hypertension, high blood pressure. Excessive sodium intake elevates blood pressure, potentially damaging blood vessels in the heart. Nitrates and nitrites. These compounds are used as preservatives to inhibit bacterial growth. However, during digestion or when processed meats are cooked at high temperatures, nitrates and nitrites can transform into nitrosamines, known carcinogens. The World Health Organization (WHO) classifies processed meat as a Group 1 carcinogen, meaning it poses a definite cancer risk to humans. Preservatives and additives. Processed meats often contain preservatives like butylated hydroxyanisole (BHA) and butylated hydroxytoluene (BHT), along with artificial colors and flavors. These additives may increase the risk of cardiovascular disease, metabolic disorders, and even certain cancers. Saturated fat and cholesterol. Processed meats are frequently high in saturated fat, which elevates LDL, bad cholesterol levels, increasing the risk of cardiovascular disease, stroke, and atherosclerosis. The impact of combining processed meat with eggs. While eggs are a nutritious source of high-quality protein, vitamins, and essential fatty acids, combining them with processed meat negates some of the egg's benefits. Specifically, compromised cardiovascular benefits. Eggs' unsaturated fats and heart-healthy proteins are counteracted by the saturated fats and nitrites in processed meat, increasing the risk of heart disease and creating a nutritionally imbalanced meal. Increased diabetes risk. Processed meat can elevate blood sugar levels and insulin resistance, negatively impacting individuals with diabetes or increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes in healthy individuals. Inflammation. Pro-inflammatory compounds in processed meat can interact with components in eggs, exacerbating inflammation throughout the body and potentially worsening inflammatory conditions like arthritis. Healthier alternatives to processed meat. A video promoting healthier alternatives to processed meat for improved well-being, particularly for seniors, would highlight options such as avocado. Avocados provide monounsaturated fats, beneficial for cardiovascular health, lowering LDL cholesterol, and promoting digestive health. Combining avocado with eggs offers a nutrient-rich and anti-inflammatory meal. Spinach. Spinach is an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It improves circulation, provides fiber, lowers cholesterol, and supports joint health. Grilled vegetables. Grilled vegetables like tomatoes, bell peppers, and onions are rich in vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, boosting immunity and combating inflammation. Benefits of replacing processed meat. Substituting processed meat with healthier options offers numerous health advantages, including improved cardiovascular health. Healthy fats from avocados, vegetables, and fruits lower LDL cholesterol and raise HDL, good cholesterol, reducing cardiovascular disease risk. Increased energy and reduced fatigue. Alternatives like fruits and vegetables provide essential vitamins and minerals, boosting energy levels and combating fatigue. Weight management. Consuming less processed meat reduces calorie and saturated fat intake, supporting healthy eating habits and reducing obesity risk. 3. Enjoy a different way to eat eggs every day. Why eating eggs the same way every day can be harmful. Consuming eggs in the same manner daily can lead to several health concerns due to a lack of dietary diversity. While eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, rich in protein, healthy fats, and vitamins A, D, E, and B12, relying solely on this single food source can create nutritional imbalances. Nutritional imbalances. Eggs alone cannot provide the full spectrum of micronutrients your body needs. A diet consisting primarily of eggs, regardless of preparation method, will likely be deficient in essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and other vital nutrients crucial for overall well-being. This deficiency can manifest in various ways, impacting energy levels, immune function, and overall health. Uncontrolled cholesterol. Egg yolks, in particular, contain cholesterol. Although studies suggest that dietary cholesterol from eggs doesn't significantly raise blood cholesterol levels in most individuals, excessive consumption of egg yolks without balancing it with other nutrient sources can contribute to an imbalance. High intake of egg yolks, especially without sufficient fiber and other cholesterol-regulating foods, may potentially elevate LDL, bad cholesterol, increasing the risk of cardiovascular problems. Fiber deficiency. Eggs are notably lacking in fiber, a crucial component for maintaining a healthy digestive system. A diet heavy in eggs, especially when paired with refined carbohydrates like white bread, can lead to constipation and other digestive issues. Adequate fiber intake promotes regular bowel movements and supports gut health. Metabolic stress. The monotony of consuming the same food daily can place undue stress on your body's metabolic processes. When your body consistently lacks diverse nutrients, it must work harder to maintain balance and function optimally, potentially leading to reduced energy levels and overall health decline. Specific risks associated with monotonous egg consumption. Elevated cholesterol. High egg consumption, particularly of yolks, can contribute to elevated LDL cholesterol, increasing the risk of heart disease and atherosclerosis, especially in older adults. Micronutrient deficiencies. While nutritious, eggs lack several essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, various B vitamins, fiber, potassium, and magnesium. These deficiencies can negatively impact immune function, metabolism, and cellular regeneration. Digestive stress. The lack of fiber in an egg-centric diet can exacerbate constipation and impair nutrient absorption. This is particularly relevant for older adults, whose digestive systems are often more sensitive. Limited dietary diversity. Eating eggs prepared identically each day limits exposure to a wide range of nutrients found in other foods. This not only makes the diet monotonous, but also reduces the overall nutritional value and enjoyment of meals. Addressing the issue of monotonous egg consumption. To mitigate these risks, diversifying your diet beyond eggs is crucial. Here are some strategies. Vary egg preparation. Experiment with different cooking methods: boiled, poached, scrambled, omelets. to add variety and potentially alter the nutritional profile. Incorporate healthy fats like olive oil or avocado when cooking. Combine with fiber-rich foods. Pair eggs with vegetables, fruits, and whole grains to increase fiber intake and improve digestive health. A simple side salad or a whole wheat toast can significantly enhance the nutritional value of your meal. Rotate protein sources. Instead of daily egg consumption, alternate eggs with other protein sources like yogurt, cheese, fish, beans, or tofu to ensure a broader range of nutrients. Supplement with micronutrient-rich foods. Incorporate fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds to compensate for any nutritional gaps left by eggs alone. Benefits of dietary diversity with eggs. Improved cardiovascular health. Combining eggs with fiber-rich and healthy fat foods can help mitigate the risk of cardiovascular disease. Increased energy and well-being. A varied diet provides sustained energy and prevents fatigue associated with nutrient deficiencies. Enhanced digestion. Fiber-rich foods promote healthy digestion, reducing constipation and other gut-related problems. By incorporating these changes, you can enjoy the benefits of eggs while avoiding the potential drawbacks of relying solely on this single food source for your daily protein needs. A balanced and diverse diet is key to optimal health and well-being. 4. Improper egg storage. Improper egg storage can be harmful because eggs are highly susceptible to bacterial contamination, especially Salmonella, a bacterium that causes food poisoning. Their thin, porous shells allow bacteria and gases from the environment to penetrate easily. Incorrect storage allows bacterial growth, potentially leading to symptoms like diarrhea, vomiting, and abdominal pain. In severe cases, food poisoning can result. Common egg storage mistakes. Storing eggs in the refrigerator door. While convenient, the refrigerator door experiences fluctuating temperatures due to frequent openings, increasing the risk of spoilage and bacterial growth, particularly Salmonella. Leaving eggs at room temperature for extended periods. Eggs spoil quickly at room temperature. Leaving them out for more than 2 hours significantly increases bacterial growth, posing a higher risk for those with weakened immune systems, such as the elderly. Storing eggs in damaged or unsealed containers. Eggs should be kept in their original, undamaged carton or a sealed container to prevent exposure to odors, chemicals, or other bacteria in the refrigerator. Not checking expiration dates. Eggs have a shelf life of approximately 3 to 5 weeks. Using expired eggs increases the risk of food poisoning, especially for the elderly whose immune systems are more vulnerable. Consequences of improper egg storage. Food poisoning. Improper storage can lead to Salmonella growth and subsequent food poisoning, characterized by diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and fever. Prompt treatment is crucial for severe cases. Reduced egg quality. Cracked or damaged shells allow bacterial entry, reducing egg quality and making them unsafe for consumption. Gastrointestinal issues. Improperly stored eggs, especially contaminated ones, can cause digestive problems. The elderly are particularly susceptible to severe complications. Proper egg storage practices. To avoid health issues, follow these simple guidelines. Store eggs in the main refrigerator compartment. This maintains a consistent, cool temperature. Keep eggs in their original carton to minimize exposure to odors and bacteria. Check expiration dates. Regularly check expiration dates to prevent consuming outdated eggs. Don't leave eggs at room temperature for extended periods. Refrigerate eggs immediately upon purchase and avoid leaving them at room temperature for more than 2 hours. Avoid storing eggs in the refrigerator door. The fluctuating temperature in the door makes it unsuitable for egg storage. Store eggs in their original carton. This protects the shells and minimizes contamination. Inspect eggs before use. Check egg freshness by placing them in a bowl of water. Fresh eggs sink and lie flat. Floating eggs indicate spoilage. Benefits of proper egg storage. Reduced risk of food poisoning. Proper storage minimizes bacterial contamination and food poisoning, especially Salmonella. Preservation of nutritional value. Correct storage maintains the nutritional value of eggs, ensuring a rich source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. Improved health and safety. Proper storage is especially important for the elderly, protecting their vulnerable immune and digestive systems. Now you understand the potential health risks associated with eggs, particularly for seniors. However, minor adjustments to your dietary habits and egg preparation methods can significantly benefit your health and energy levels throughout the day. Remember, eggs themselves aren't the enemy. It's the way we handle them that matters. If you found this information helpful, please share this video with your loved ones and friends, especially those in their senior years. Make small changes and experience the difference. Your health will thank you.